Welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how you can block the phone numbers, the spam phone numbers, the private phone numbers. So you can do that. Download an application because I show you today. I will show you today. So the first step is go here in Playstore. And in Playstore you need to go to the browser, and in your browser you need to pick here in the application, you need to search the application of Haya. So you need to select that application of Haya. This is the original Haya, the right application, Haya Spam Blocker and Caller ID. So you need to pick here and open, because I download this application before I start the video. So here Haya is asked to you to, if you put here your phone, and after that you pick in continue and you can register the phone. You need to go to the option of block, and in block you need to activate the filter of block private calls, and that's it. You activate the filter, you block that private numbers, like how you can you want block. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.